this is the sky right now. There's gonna be a tornado. Guys, can y'all please pray for me? Because I feel like I'm going to die. I'm just kidding. Dude. I hope there's no tornado. No. Yeah. The tornado's probably like... The tornado's probably forming over there. Well, on the camera, it looks light, but in person, it looks very dark in person. So, it's very dark in person. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I see I think the tornado's forming. Oh, shoot. But no, never mind. Dang. Those trees, look at them. I might make a live stream next time there's like a storm or a tornado. What? Yeah. Alright, bye.